Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a stunning Facebook cover photo using Canva, a process that's super simple, fun, and perfect even if you don't consider yourself a design pro. First, head over to Canva by typing canva.com into your browser. Once you're there, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type in Facebook cover photo and hit enter. Canva will display a wide variety of templates tailored specifically for Facebook covers. Everything from clean, minimalistic designs to bold, vibrant graphics. Take a moment to browse and find a template that really speaks to your style or the message you want to share on your profile. Once you've found one, click Customize this template to open it in Canva's editor. Here's where the fun begins. You can start by editing any text on the template. Double-click to change it to your own message or slogan. Play around with fonts, sizes, and colors until your text pops and perfectly complements your design. Next, consider personalizing your images. Click on any image in the template to replace it. You can upload your own photos or explore Canva's huge library of graphics and stock images. Remember, choosing high-quality visuals can really make your cover photo stand out. Once your design looks perfect, take a quick moment to review everything. Make sure all elements are aligned and your cover truly reflects your style or brand. When you're happy, click the Download button in the top right corner, select your preferred format. PNG is usually best, and save it to your computer. And that's it. In just a few easy steps, you've created a professional, eye-catching Facebook cover photo that will make your profile shine. Go ahead, get creative, and show off your unique style to the world. Happy designing.